Welcome to YummyLia, where you can satisfy your longings and have fun mastering your favorite recipes. Today, we'll be making a luscious vanilla cake. So let's get going. First, in a bowl, we'll combine 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon baking powder and quarter teaspoon salt. Keep it aside. Grab another bowl and add half cup of melted unsalted butter with 1 cup powdered sugar. Beat until the sugar is well dissolved. Then add 2 eggs and beat again until the batter is light in color. Now include half teaspoon of vanilla essence and the dry mixture with the warm milk gradually. Mix it thoroughly and repeat the same process again. As soon as there are no lumps, our cake batter is ready. Now transfer it to a greased mold and bake it in a preheated oven with 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. Demold the cake and finally our delish soft vanilla cake is ready. Enjoy this tea time delight. Thanks for watching. See you next time.